The Lost Songbird. In a small village, nestled at the edge of a vast forest, there lived a young girl named Ella. Ella had a deep love for music and spent her days wandering through the woods, listening to the melodies of birdsong and the rustling of leaves in the breeze. One crisp autumn morning, as Ella wandered deeper into the forest than she had ever ventured before, she heard a hauntingly beautiful song drifting through the trees. Entranced by the melody, she followed its enchanting notes, weaving through thickets and over babbling brooks. As she emerged into a sunlit glade, Ella gasped in wonder. There, perched on a moss-covered branch, was the source of the magical song. A small songbird with feathers as blue as the sky, and a voice that seemed to carry the secrets of the forest itself. The songbird looked at Ella with bright eyes, its feathers shimmering in the dappled sunlight. Ella approached cautiously, her heart filled with awe and reverence for the magnificent creature before her. "Hello, little one," Ella whispered softly, her voice blending with the rustling leaves. "What is your name?" The songbird tilted its head, studying Ella with curiosity. Then, with a trill of its melodic voice, it sang a response, a song that spoke of ancient forests, whispering winds, and the beauty of the natural world. Tears welled in Ella's eyes as she listened to the songbird's melody, her soul stirred by its haunting beauty. She felt a deep connection to the songbird, as if they were kindred spirits bound by a love for music and the wonders of the forest. For days and nights, Ella returned to the sunlit glade to listen to the songbird's songs. They shared moments of laughter and sadness, joy and contemplation, their bond growing stronger with each passing day. But one stormy night, as Ella waited in the glade for the songbird to appear, she heard nothing but the howling wind and the patter of raindrops on the forest floor. Fear gripped her heart as she realized that the songbird had not returned. Frantically, Ella searched through the forest, calling out to the songbird with tears streaming down her cheeks. She feared that she had lost her dear friend forever, swallowed by the darkness of the storm. Just as hope was beginning to fade, Ella stumbled upon a small nest hidden among the branches of an ancient oak tree. And there, nestled within the safety of the nest, was the songbird, its feathers ruffled but unharmed by the storm. Relief flooded through Ella as she gently cradled the songbird in her hands. She could feel its heart beating steadily against her palm, a testament to their unbreakable bond. As the storm clouds parted and the first rays of dawn painted the sky in hues of pink and gold, Ella held the songbird close to her heart. She knew that their friendship had weathered the storm, stronger and more beautiful than ever before. And as they returned to the sunlit glade, the songbird perched on Ella's shoulder and sang a new melody, a song of resilience, hope, and the enduring power of friendship. With a smile on her face and a song in her heart, Ella knew that she and the songbird would share many more adventures in the forest, their voices blending together in harmony with the rhythms of nature. The end.